Nisaga mapa mabani ba mabani saga gasani pamaga nisaga sa. Amrithavarshini. Does Amrithavarshini bring rain? In the Puranas, it is mentioned that the great Ravana played Amrithavarshini Raaga to pour rain over the fire that caught Lanka. Now, Amrithavarshini, whether it brings rains or not, trust me, it is a tremendous raga. It's a beautiful raga to listen during rains. Sa ga ma pa ni sa ni pa ma ga sa. Amrithavarshini is a melodious raga with a bit of a haunting feel to it. It is a very deep raga with a lot of emotions. Now, some of the beautiful compositions in Amrithavarshini are Thungada Virigal Rendu Un Thunai Thedum Nenjam Ondru Mella Sirithai En Ullam Sarithai Vidiyale Nee Enai Teendinai. If you like this information, share it with your friends and join our White Lotus School of Music to learn music the fun way.